Alright guys, we're down here at Northeast Dragway today. The signal is very bad, so I'm not going to be able to go live today. And apparently my live yesterday was pretty bad, but we're down here at the top of the track right now. Check this out. This is pretty cool. I had no idea there was this many windmills out here, but there are a ton. So we're just out here having fun today. So y'all are going to get a video hopefully on Monday and Tuesday of our weekend experiences. It was fun. We had a good time. But anyway, I just want to give y'all a quick update. I have not made any passes yet, but here's a few cars that are out here. This should be an awesome day today.